Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Well, today we will be revealing the winner for the 550 and 600 subscriber giveaway. And so I did go ahead and choose, but I wanted to go ahead and chat with you really quick about the giveaway. And remember, I had to run it off the same giveaway because 550 and 600 happened actually pretty fast and, pretty rapidly. So I wanted to go ahead and make sure I get the 600 in there too. So I decided to go ahead and use the one video and pick two winners. Okay. And so I did get the two winners, but I just want to let you guys know that my goal this year is to hit 1,000. I don't mean 1,000 by December, but 1,000 by September 1st, because that marks 1 year since I created my YouTube video. I think my first YouTube video went up on September 6th, I believe. But if you look at when was the channel created and me planning for my upload was September 1st. So actually that would be actually perfect. And so if I could get 1,000 subscribers, 1,000 beautiful wildflowers, I would really love it. And, it would really help me out if you guys can get the word out and see if there's anybody else that's interested in seeing content and be part of the Wildflower family. Okay. And so when I plan this, it's going to be a really big giveaway. I have not decided yet if it's going to be multiple winners or if it's going to be one grand prize winner and then just smaller winners. I haven't decided that piece yet. But yeah, and I will be running a separate giveaway about that same time. All of the people who have won a giveaway, all of the people throughout the beginning of my channel till September 1st, those people that's won the giveaway, I want to go ahead and write their names down, put their names in a hat or a cup or a basket or whatever, and pick a winner. Okay, and that's just kind of like that thank you longevity type of giveaway. And so we'll be running, several of those. But like I said, my goal is to reach 1,000, and I will go ahead and have, the giveaways as we go along. I mean, this is not like that's it until 1,000, but I will also be having them in milestones of every hundreds, right? So right now we surpassed 600. So I'll probably have one at, I'm close to 650. So I'll probably have one at 700 and maybe 750, or it depends on how long it takes for me to get to those milestones. But I would really, really love it if I could get to 1,000 by the anniversary of the first video, the creation of my channel. And so, yeah, I just want to put that out to you guys. But without further ado, let's go ahead, and I've already made the video because I have to make it separate, and I have inserted it here. So here we go. Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. I hope you guys been doing well, and here we are, the moment we've been waiting for the 550 and 600 subscribers, and we will do them separately. And we will first start with the 550. And I've already copied the link to the clipboard, and I'm going to paste it here. And then here we go. And next, what we will do is we will filter duplicate users, so that way one entry per person. And we did have a filter comment, and what was it? It was duplicate. So D-U-P-L-I-C-A-T-E. Let me make sure I spelled it right. Okay, here we go. We're going to get the comments and see how many of you entered or followed the instructions. Oh, 64. That's a lot. Okay, guys, so that's a lot of people, but let's see. We're going to go ahead, and where is it now? Okay, here we go. The start button. And we want to start the raffle and pick the random winners. We want to push this one. Okay, so here we go. Life with Lois. Oh, congratulations, Life with Lois. And guys, I kind of messed up because I got so excited and I went into the next video, so I didn't validate there. But I can do it here. So it does say she's publicly subscribed to me. And so here it is. Okay, Lois, you are now official. And I will give you instructions on the outro. Okay, here we go. We need to pick another one. And we're going to go ahead and pick again. And let's see. Melinda Hall. Congratulations, Melinda. Okay. Now, again, since I did it the other way for the first time, I'm going to go ahead into the comments and see if she is subscribed to me. And here it is. This is publicly subscribed to you. And so great. And yeah, there's more than one way to skin a cat, guys. And so now here I am. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers. Congratulations to Lois and Melinda. And thank you guys so much for participating, and every one of you. And you know what? As I always say, just because you didn't win this time doesn't mean that you're not going to win. And so I have these pretty often. So hang in there and just go ahead and contribute, your comments when I do have these giveaways, and, come back, whenever you can, often as possible, and, join in on the fun and the conversation with the Wildflower family. And also, I do want to let you know, you guys, please check and make sure you're still subscribed, because I'm still seeing people who are using the words and making comments and really, entering the giveaway. But when I look, and see, make sure, because if I don't see the little red label that says that they are a subscriber, I look to see if they are actually a subscriber. And if you don't see that little red label, they're not. Either that or they're not public with it. And so there's a lot of people that's been with me from the beginning, guys. Okay, I need you guys to check, because I know you're entering, but if you ever do come up, I can't give it to you because I can't see you or I'm not there. And so, yeah. And as you notice, this time I kind of got really excited about the winners that I forgot to actually go into the channel and look for go through the name. But still, there's more than one way to skin a cat. And so as you saw on the video, that little red dot, and when I hover over it, it actually says this person is subscribed to publicly. So if you don't see that red dot, that's probably because you're not subscribed to me. So please do check. And I know you guys, trust that you've already been subscribed, but you know what? It kicks you off, because I've seen it, and it's kicked me off a couple of different channels as well, which is subscribe, I subscribe to them and I'm off. I'm like, why am I not subscribed to this person? Why have I not heard from this person? So yeah, go back and take a look, especially if you're entering, because I'm telling you, a couple of you have been chosen in different versions of my giveaway, and I just couldn't give it to you because I can't see you. And I keep saying this, but, I don't want to call you guys out. I think one person in Instagram, I asked them to please check. And still, that person has not, I don't know, maybe they could see me, or I don't know. But anyhow, so yeah, I just want you guys to, get what you deserve. So please do check, okay? And so my beautiful wildflowers, this was just a really quick video just to announce the winners, because this is the second video of today. So I know I didn't do the mindfulness card or, the affirmation card, because I already did earlier, okay? All right, my beautiful wildflowers, thank you so much. And I just want to thank you guys so much. I can't believe I'm almost at 650 subscribers. And never in my wildest dream did I think I would get here. And that is the honest truth. And, one day I'll tell you, a story about a goal that I set for myself. And if I don't reach this, goal by this time, I was just going to give it up. And you know what? I didn't even have to worry about it, because I did reach that goal, and I continue to hit my milestones, because every month in my planner, I do put down what my goal is for that month. And I was underguessing for a lot of the months, and it really, really surprised me when the numbers grew so much. And it's because of you guys. And I really do thank you from the bottom of my left ventricles. And thank you so much. And I don't know what else to say to you. So anyway, my beautiful wildflowers, have a good day, have a good night, have a good weekend, because I'm sure you're watching it on a weekend. If not, have a good week. But just remember, never sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.